So explain the coatings that are used in tilt pour process. You know, we just mentioned a little bit about the static side of things, but you know, what are the coatings used for on a permanent mold or a tilt pour?
Well, we have 3 different coatings. One coating is the primer, or you should say binder, that holds the second spray, which is a brown, which is a thermal coating. It holds heat. And we also have a blue coating. The blue coating is a release agent.
Okay. Yeah, so different coatings that serve a different purpose to really try and make sure that, you know, when Johnathan and Rachel are asking about these complicated parts, we're making sure that we're trying to feed correctly where we want to feed correctly.
Yes.
You know, really increase the turbulence in areas if we want to feed the metal quicker. Or,
yeah. And also, where you want to hold heat better, you use
so
brown
some thermals.
or thermal.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want to script the part easier, use a little blue. People are working on, the industry is working on better coatings.